Tongue spelling.
Oh my God, keep it just tongue spelling. I don't want to imagine it.
Yeah, let him do the tongue. It has to be a even the last name. Yeah.
Alright, you need to spell out his name for him.
I don't know.
Olivia with the last name.
With Junior.
Junior.
Go.
The junior has to be K-U-N-I. Oh, that's the short.
Go. Victoria.
Oh!
L. Q.
Ew.
Hey, it's not dripping enough.
I. O.
Ew. Ew. Stop.
Next one.
What you gonna say about what you did?
It's good. Crazy.
You did it for 36 seconds.
Wipe the drip.
You're drooling.
Do not do that again.